can turn the knob. You can even see how it like circulates into the inside of the vehicle off the windshield. Okay. Now we need the Plymouth Superbird. It's pretty cool because you'll get to see the spoiler kind of in action. Just want to make sure it's on the center line, both front and rear.
Is it? No, not really. So, Plymouth Superbird better than a T-bucket, right?
Yeah, lots better. You can see the downforce from that.
That's remarkably good. I think that's why.
That's why they were banned.
I know.
Well, take them up to the speed they were doing.
They were doing up to 220 miles an hour.
Let's try this dirt track car. What do you think? Pretty much in the center?
Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good. Not as good as the Superbird. Not nearly. You shouldn't be, right? All right, I'm calling this the modern car.
Modern NASCAR.
Modern NASCAR.
Yeah, turn that bad boy up to 220.
They only do about 200.
Come on, Ricky Bobby. And that's 242.
This has some clean lines there.
Oh, that was fun.